Dear students, welcome. Thank you for tuning in to another video. I'm Loay Al-Zube. We are going to start the lecture of concept testing, which is part of the product design and development course. This lecture is going to explain what are we going to be doing in terms of testing after we generate our concepts. I have 3 questions to start with, then we will move on with the lecture itself. The concept testing phase comes immediately after which phase of the product design and development process? We have these 4 answers. It's after concept generation, concept selection, after setting the target specification, or setting the final specifications. I encourage you to pause the video and select one of those and see which one you think is the phase after which the concept testing should happen. If you did that and you thought about it and you made your decision that it's after setting final specification, that's wrong. The correct answer is it should come after the concept selection. After you've selected your concepts from a pool of a lot of generated concepts, then you can start with the testing phase. Second question, as per the textbook, concept testing is a process. If you notice that what we did so far is that in each phase of the product design and development process, each phase is broken down into also a method or a process. So, and there are steps for each one of them. Remember, we're doing a process, so there's a lot of steps. So testing, concept testing is not different. So it has a lot of steps that we need and phases we need to follow. So from the textbook, how many steps or phases do you think the testing or concept testing is? It's 5, 6, 7, or 8. Yeah, think about it. And I think if you hit 7, that's correct. That's a correct answer. I have one more question. It's a long one, but it will give us a good idea about how we're about moving forward. So concept testing is distinct from concept selection in that it is based on what and relies to a lesser degree on what. So if you go through these selections, you need to select one of them. Please pause the video and think about it and see which one do you think is the right answer. All right, if you thought about it and you made a decision that D is the correct answer, you're right. So to read the sentence, concept testing is distinct from concept selection in that it is based on data gathered directly from potential customers. That's very important. So we need to come back to our customers, and it relies to a lesser degree on the judgments made by the development team. If you noticed, all our work, we are going all the time going back to our customers and their needs. Alrighty, so I hope this stimulates our thinking about what is concept testing. And if we go back to the product development process, this is the general layout. So we started with the planning and we are working on concept development, right? This is the second phase that we're working, that we're still in actually. And if we, after generating a lot of concepts and selecting a couple of concepts that we wanted to move forward with, we need to test them. So at this moment, we need to evaluate and prioritize the projects. So we will rely on all the activities and the skills that we did so far. So we did competitive strategies, we did market segmentation, we have technology trajectories, technology trajectories, and then we develop technology roadmaps, and we balance the portfolio. We talked about the costs a little bit in the final setting final specifications, but we will revisit them again as well. So we coming to this stage equipped with all these skills and tools that we did so far. So for testing, so there's a lot of places where along this process we will be doing testing. We did so far a lot of testing in planning and concept development, and so far they were qualitative concept testing. And toward the end of the project, when we reach the final stages, we will be doing quantitative concept testing. But we are moving toward quantitative. And one of the things that we would like to do in the concept testing is that to give also some quantification and some numbers to what we're doing, rather than just wording and putting things in tables and matrices. Alrighty, Last thing, I just want to show you where we are in the concept development process. So the product or the concept testing is we are still part of the second phase, which is the concept development process, but now we are doing some testing here in this area. And if you look along all these steps, which are part of the concept development phase, which is number 2, we almost done with all of it except for testing and planned downstream development. All right, thank you for tuning. We are going to continue with more videos about concept testing. This is the first video, and till next time. Bye.